Hey, it's Tim here. Right now I'm looking at a parameter in the output name that allows me to add the date dynamically to the output file when we run Tableau Prep. This is a new feature in Tableau 23.2. Let me show you how it works. Let's get stuck in. So the origin of this feature makes a ton of sense. If you're running a flow and you want to output a file and you don't want to overwrite the existing files in a location, something you might do is you might add the date or time that you ran the flow so that you have some sort of version control using the time of the flow to be able to go back in time and look at it. The other use case is actually you might be running a flow that's pulling data on a daily basis. And so every time the flow runs, it's essentially capturing a snapshot of sorts. And what you then want to do is in another flow, bring all of those files together. And you actually want to use that date and time in your data set to make things work. And so actually this idea came from the Tableau community 5 years ago. Owen Price posted this option to parameterize the output file names. And actually Tableau did bring out the ability to add parameterized outputs to files. You can use dimensions in the data. And so what people were doing is they were adding a date column in their data and then using that date in the parameter. It was kind of messy. What Tableau have done now is they've just gone ahead and not made it a requirement to have those parameters in your data set. You can see here, if I click on my flow and I actually go down to the parameters, you can see I have no parameter created. I haven't got that set up. But if I click on the output and I go down here to the left-hand side where it says name, you'll see there is a parameter and there's a system parameter. This is kind of nice because this suggests that you might be able to fit other bits of information about your system into this dropdown. So I'm really keen to see what else can be added here, but you can see here you get the run date and you can choose the different formats, the different setups, and also the run time if you need more granular control down to the second as well. So that's a really, really nice touch. If we go ahead and select run date, I'm just going to choose oh, actually, let's choose the date because I like my dates sort of as a whole number. I just want to choose year, month, day, keep it nice and standard. And so you can see here adds the essentially the output. I can put a hyphen there just to make it sort of stand out a little bit. So now when I run this, this is going to save this to this location. I can actually go ahead and change this. Let's put this on my desktop. Let's do that there. Hit accept. And now that we've done that, we're pretty much ready to go. Hit run flow. And it'll go. You can see that the output is written here. And if I bring my desktop up, let's go ahead and bring the files. You can see that there's the file. It's got year, month, day, hyper. Now that's not what I wanted. I actually wanted it to write the date. So what's gone on here? What has gone on here? Let's just try this again. Have I got a bug here? Let's go ahead, hit run date. Let's go to date and let's go year, month, day. We'll hit run flow. I think what I might have done is I might have removed those brackets and that might have deleted the parameter in essence. And so that didn't work. So don't do what I just did. You can see that I do these videos literally out of the box. I don't do practice runs. I have a look at the documentation and we record the video straight away. So here we go, 23/06/18. And this is the previous one where I obviously had the faux pas. But it's a really nice touch, nice simple feature, nice and easy. That's it for this video. Be sure to check out the other videos on 23.2 that I've already got going in the playlist that you're watching this video in. And also let me know what you think of this feature in the comments. We're really close to 50,000 subscribers. I'd love your help. So if you know someone who's not subscribed or you're not subscribed, just hit the subscribe button and get on with your life. I would really appreciate it. I really want to get to the number super soon. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.